So I got up playing some Rust today, and look what happened to my base. Yeah, some poo-poo head broke in. But no, they couldn't get out of my... I'm mad. Well, today's episode will be rebuilding the base. We gotta find some stone. Ugh. I'm mad now. People offline me because they're scared. Alright. Let's get some more wood and stone right now. I'm so mad. You can't tell right now because I just restarted it after I got the whole thing. All my base was destroyed. What do you mean? It's fine. They left almost all my stuff in there. They're weird. There's only 13 players on right now, so I gotta get those stone back fast. Here we go. No, it's metal rock. Come on, ooh, stone. There we go. Yeah, this episode of me rebuilding the base that got slaughtered. Alright, that should be enough. I'll get more on my way out. I gotta get a sheet metal base soon. Not to mention they stole all my metal, and they stole all my wood, and they stole all my stone. I'm getting all my stone back right now. Almost more than doubled it. Wow. That should be good. I think I have a hammer already inside the house. Look at that, they just left all my stuff. Except for my... Oh, I still have ammo, never mind. Now I need iron bars. Let me get that later. Well, I kinda need it right now, so... We'll get that metal rock real quick. So I at least can have it for a couple... like a day or two. Like, people offline you because they're scared. Don't get discouraged by that. Or they still don't play the game right, and that's all I can do. Just don't get discouraged by that, is what I'm saying. Pretty much. It'll happen sometimes, and they'll steal all your shit, but it'll get better. Because in 10-time servers like this, you can get it back really fast. Alright. Let's mosey on home. Also, I will be getting webcams soon. Just thought I should let you know that. Never eat the pickles. They're always drenched in vinegar, and they'll make you throw up. Alright, let's go. There we are. What the? Why can't I bit? There it goes. My hammer for it. Did they steal my hammer? You gotta be kidding me. That's just dumb. Why would they steal a hammer? Here we go. Starting to look like home again. Alright. That's good. Nice. Now all I need is just to make a door, and I have to go get some more scrap for that. So let's go back to the scrap place. And I forgot something. Let's go. Well, I'll save those med syringes. So let's go. We're gonna have to scrap up some stuff. Yeah, whoever did that to my base, heck you. Alright, let's go back to the airfield. No, it's the, launch site, right? Yeah, launch site. Some more mushrooms. So yeah, they didn't really set us that far back. We just gotta get resources. Like metal. Med kits. Ooh. Nice. Nice. And we're just gonna pick up these chocolate bars because they're really good. Not another wetsuit. Nice. Let's go scrap it up. I hear a tank. Uh-oh. Those tanks are dangerous, dude. Whew. We're gone. We're good. Nice. Alright, good show. We can get like a shirt or something, that'd be good. Yeah, here we go. Let's scrap all this junk. Incendiary bullets, that's good. Ooh, shotgun, more bullets, more wood, and more gears. Mm-mm. I don't really need bean can grenades. I already have a blueprint for it. I don't need wood. I'll keep the oil refinery. I gotta go. Ooh, targeting computer. No. Alright, let's see. Okay, we got that, 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 we got that. It's pretty good loot. Let's go back. Phew, we made it. We already had one of those. Lit for somebody else. Let's go up here. Let's check it out. Ooh. I can use a satchel charge and an MP5. Get out of your pistol. No one likes you. I already have a revolver. I can scrap that. Or I don't need that tan leather. I don't need that either. Uh-oh. It saw me. I gotta get out of here now. Oh my god, that's scary. You do not want to get caught in the tank's line of fire. It will obliterate you. Ooh, more chocolate bars. Don't mind if I do. Nice. I guess the boars and the chicken are going on a date. That's a lot of stone, man. I don't have a pickaxe. Great. Or do I? Yep, I don't have a pickaxe. I'll come back for these 3 pretties later. But right now we're going back to base. Mushrooms. Let's getting all of our stuff back in here. That's good. I'm so glad we made it back. I don't know what I would do with all this loot. We got an oil refinery as well. And I think that does it for this episode. Next episode, we'll be doing more stuff with the base, and yeah, more stuff in general. See you guys later. Goodbye.